To automatically change your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen wallpaper when you are working, you have to set the home screen wallpaper in the work mode setting to the reset one. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap work. Scroll down the screen. Under change appearance section, tap the home screen thumbnail. Now select the desired home screen wallpaper. As the example, we will select from the graphical section. Tap the button to save your selection. With the setting, when work mode is active, your phone will automatically set the selected wallpaper as your home screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.